You won't believe what just happened in the world of AI. ChatGPT, yes, the AI tool everyone's been talking about, is no longer at the top of the game. It's been replaced. A new contender has entered the ring, and it's not just better, it's smarter, faster, and frankly, a little scary in the best way possible. Now, before you think this is just another tech video with exaggerated claims, let me be crystal clear. What we're about to show you is not only going to change the way you interact with AI, but potentially how you work, create, and even learn. In the next few minutes, we'll break down the new AI tool that's taking the internet by storm, how it compares to ChatGPT, what it does differently, and why thousands of creators, coders, and entrepreneurs are making the switch already. And if you're someone who values staying ahead of the curve, yeah, you'll want to see this. But hey, real quick before we dive in, if you're getting value from videos like this, or if you just love staying up to date with emerging tech and AI tools, take 2 seconds to like this video and share it with someone who needs to hear this. It really helps the channel, and it means we can keep bringing you content that cuts through the noise. All right, let's get into it. So what is this mysterious new AI tool? Meet Orion AI. It launched quietly just a few months ago, but has already been integrated by multiple Fortune 500 companies, gained traction on Reddit and Twitter, and sparked a wave of excitement in the developer and creator communities. And what makes Orion different? Let's start with context handling. While ChatGPT does an impressive job understanding context in a conversation, Orion has pushed the boundaries. It can remember previous chats across sessions and bring them up when relevant, without you having to reintroduce anything. Think of it like an AI with a true memory. You say something once, and it just knows. Days or even weeks later, you can pick up where you left off. Imagine the implications: writing books, managing code bases, running marketing campaigns, all with an AI that knows your style, your goals, and even your past iterations. That's not just helpful, that's game-changing. Next up, let's talk about real-time collaboration. Orion introduces something called Live Assist Mode. While ChatGPT still works like a question-and-answer machine, Orion can work with you in real time. Want to build a pitch deck? It lays it out slide by slide with you. Writing an email? It drafts while you type. Coding? It predicts and corrects as you go, kind of like an intelligent co-pilot that never sleeps. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Orion doesn't just respond to prompts, it learns your workflow. If you often switch between scheduling meetings, summarizing calls, and drafting newsletters, Orion adapts. It suggests actions based on your patterns. It's proactive, not reactive. Think of it as the leap from voice command to digital intuition. And once you get used to it, going back to anything else feels dated. Now, you might be wondering, okay, but how's the quality of its responses? Here's the kicker. Orion runs on a multi-model engine that integrates not just one, but 3 different AI architectures. It blends language understanding with predictive modeling and contextual memory in a seamless way. The result? Responses that are not just accurate, but feel eerily human. And not in a clumsy, trying too hard kind of way. It nails tone, structure, and nuance. Whether it's scripting, brainstorming, researching, or debugging, it just gets it. And for those who rely on AI for content creation, you'll love this. Orion has native integration with tools like Figma, Notion, and even Adobe Suite. Want to create an Instagram carousel? Tell it. Want your blog post turned into a YouTube script and an email blast? It does that in one go. No more bouncing between tabs or apps. Everything's integrated. Now, don't get me wrong. ChatGPT has laid the foundation for all of this. But Orion is building the next floor, the penthouse, and maybe even the rooftop bar. And remember, this isn't just about hype. We've actually tested Orion side by side with ChatGPT on tasks like writing a 2,000-word article with SEO optimization, designing a lead magnet and landing page in one session, debugging complex JavaScript code with nested functions, drafting ad copy in multiple tones for different platforms. In almost every category, Orion outperformed. Now let's talk about what it costs. And here's where Orion really makes jaws drop. It operates on a freemium model, but even the free version includes memory, workflow learning, and multi-tool support. Premium unlocks collaboration features and high-priority compute time, but the gap between free and paid isn't nearly as wide as with other AI tools. But honestly, cost might not even matter once you start using it. Because here's the truth. Time is the new currency, and Orion gives it back to you. You spend less time formatting, less time rewriting, less time managing different apps. You focus on the thinking, not the typing. And now you're probably wondering, how do you get started? Right now, Orion is invite only. But, and this is the exciting part, they've just opened a waitlist for early adopters. And because we've been testing it since beta, we've partnered with them to give our viewers exclusive early access. You'll find that link in the description. And trust me, this is one of those tools you want to be on the front lines for. Now let me ask you this. How do you actually use AI in your daily life? Is it for work? For school? For creativity? Let us know in the comments. Because as Orion evolves, we'll be creating tutorials, walkthroughs, and challenges to show just how far this new wave of AI can go. And yes, we'll still cover ChatGPT and its updates. This isn't about trashing it. In fact, it's important to recognize how ChatGPT paved the way. But the AI landscape is shifting, and staying informed is the difference between following trends and leading them. Before we wrap this up, let's zoom out a bit. This isn't just about one tool replacing another. It's about a larger shift in how we interact with technology. We're moving from command-based systems to intelligent partners, from prompting AIs to collaborating with them. And tools like Orion are pointing toward a future where your digital assistant is more than just a fancy chatbot. It's an actual contributor to your output. That future isn't 5 years away. It's now. So if you're ready to take that next step, if you want to stay not just relevant but ahead, don't just watch from the sidelines. Get involved. Explore Orion. And if this video opened your eyes to what's coming next in AI, smash that subscribe button. Because the AI revolution doesn't slow down, and neither do we. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.